Welcome to another episode of Cryptocurrency Unmasked. Today we will be discussing about another crypto coin, and the coin of the day is NEM. Unfortunately, I have to start this video with a bad news that another cryptocurrency exchange in Japan actually ended up losing about $400 million due to a hacking attempt. Coin of the day is NEM. Before we start discussing about NEM, let us take a look at its market value first. For now, the market cap of NEM is around $9 billion and the circulating supply of NEM is around 9 billion also. So XEM, short for NEM, was a project started in 2014 with the motive of supporting as a fork to another cryptocurrency known as NXT by a group of developers on the online website known as bitcointalk.org. Later on, they end up in creating a completely new infrastructure known as NEM. They named it New Economic Movement, and they built it from the scratch, completely from the scratch, based on Java and few working parts of it in C++. So they took about an year in order to test the technology with blockchain giant known as MyChain, and finally NEM as we know today came into existence. Well, this technology is completely different from as of Bitcoin. Bitcoin infrastructure works on the principle of proof of work. For an example, if I want to create a Bitcoin, I have to mine it. In mining, we will be creating a block in which we will be checking the transactions. So I will be explaining how the infrastructure of Bitcoin is being built in another separate video. For now, let us come back to NEM. NEM works on a concept of proof of importance, which is completely different from the concept of mining, that is proof of work. As we know today, 9 billion NEM is already being created. It is pre-mined. There is no mining involved. So one actually have to have at least 10,000 NEM in their wallet in order to contribute to the network, adding a new block to the blockchain. So if you people want me to explain how the proof of importance works, please mention in the comments below and I will be creating a different video on that. Let us come back to the NEM. The future of NEM is very promising. The group of developers is working on the project known as Catapult to move its closed system Java-based ecosystem to the open source C++ based system, which can be a revolution in NEM technology. Now think of a network in which one can design its own cryptocurrency and its blockchain according to their need. NEM network is real promising. Now an answer for people who are looking for that whether they should invest in NEM or not, I would like to say never look for short-term goals, as I had been mentioning in my previous videos. NEM technology is promising, but we have to wait and we have to contribute in order to build its infrastructure. For now, I would like to say yes, you people can buy NEM and contribute to the cause of decentralization. For now, signing off.